In the West, the two Reiki kanji have been translated as universal energy, or universal life force energy. This is certainly a translation of the second kanji, ki, only. Ki is naturally the energy of everything. However, what does Rei mean? We have learned that Reiki originated in Japan, because the Japanese are focused on nature. The ancient Japanese kanji script reflects the Japanese connection to nature. Kanji expresses situations from nature through illustrations. People watched nature, and through their observation of nature, they learned about human nature, life, love, and healing. Falling rain. Some drops of rain are falling on empty vessels. These 3 vessels stand on a sacrificial table. The vessels used for holding ritual prayers, and here it may be the prayer for rain. May God give us rain. Heavenly rain. Rain blessing. May God give us rain. Heavenly rain. Rain blessing. May God give us rain. Heavenly rain. Rain blessing. Rei means heaven energy, God's spirit, nature blessings, the mysterious nature of Reiki. For me as a Western man, Rei is coming back to nature. This is why I created BTN, Back to Nature, the name of the school where I teach Western students to go back to their Rei nature, and to combine this Rei nature of the Japanese Reiki into their Western way of life. It has also been suggested that the sound of rain on the metal vessels may have been a sound meditation for the people to connect to nature and to be with the gods.